In this lesson, let us try to see two commands which are trim and extend commands. These are present in this modify panel. See here inside this modify, if you go over here, you see you have got a trim command with a scissors. You can see here there is a small drop down arrow here. If you click the arrow, you will see extend also. These trim and extend commands are very useful in drawing, because once we finish the drawing, there are a lot of lines which have to be removed and which have to be trimmed, and in some cases some lines have to be extended to prepare our final drawing. So now on the computer screen you can see I have got a window shown over here like this. So I need to get this one. To finish this one, what I should do, some work is done and you can see here some extra lines are there, some lines have to be pulled, all these things. So in extend and trim command, we need to first define the trim line, okay, reference line, where you need to cut or where you need to extend, up to which point you need to extend. You need a reference line, okay, boundary line. In the older versions of AutoCAD, like 2018 and earlier versions, what we needed to do, we needed to first define the trim line, okay, reference line. Like for example, if I just go and click on trim, you see here what is happening, select object to trim or shift select to extend, it is telling. Now here you have got the cursor changed to a small piece. Now in AutoCAD 2021, here you can see I am using AutoCAD 2021. They have still improvised on this command. What you need to do is you just need to go near the line which you want to trim. See I want like this, so I don't need these lines. See, the moment I go close to these lines, this is the nearest boundary available, okay. So what it is doing, it is just trimming up to that point. Click on that, go to this one, click on this, okay, enter. Sorry, it did not do it. Let me just go do it again. See here, click on this, click on this, click on this, okay, and then similarly come here, click on this, click on this. See here what it is doing now, it has already trimmed, so I don't need this also. Let me trim this, it is removing it. Go here, it is removing this. Go to this one, it is removing, okay. Go to this one, it is removing. See here, this, okay. I will say enter. So I am out of the command. See, it has removed all this material. So what I will do, I will undo it. I will just go to top, I will undo it. It has undone everything. There is another way, okay, selecting in a square. Just go click on the trim command, okay. The moment I click on the trim command, I will come here in the bottom. I will just click my mouse button, left mouse button. I will just move up like this. See here, just 1 minute. So now what I will do, I will just go, see here, I will hold my mouse button, I will just move like this, left mouse button, okay, just remove it. See here, I don't need this, just press the mouse button, move around, just move like this, like a rubber, understand? Release it. Still you are in the command, remember this. See, now I will go inside and just move like this. See here, this is one of the new features of AutoCAD 2021, okay. So now what I will do, I will press enter. The moment I press enter, I am out of command line, okay. I am out of trim command. Now just see here, there is something still left here. Use the center wheel of your mouse to zoom in and check. See here, there is something extra, okay. Let's make it little big, and let us just again use the trim command to just get rid of this. Remember, to use trim command, you should definitely need a boundary. The computer will see the nearest line. In CAD 21, it is seeing the nearest line. You have this line, okay. If you don't have this line, it will never remove this one, okay. I will just go close and then just remove it. See here, I am just removing it, okay. Now I will come back. Now see here, I will just go move around like this. It's done. Enter. It's very easy now. Now for extend command, just go here, go open this one, select extend. The moment you select extend, again your cursor has changed. So now see here, when I am just clicking on this one, see, it is extending to this point, right. Now if I have another line, let me go out of the command. Now let me draw another line here. Let us say I am drawing another line. Now I want to extend this up to this line. It will not do it, see that, because it will do to the nearest boundary. See, this is the point. See here, if I go and click here, this is the point it is extending. Okay, it is not extending to up to this point, understand? So if I want to extend now, again you have to redo it in CAD 2021. In the earlier versions, what you needed to do was that you needed to select the boundary first. So if you select the boundary and then enter, then select the object to extend, it will extend up to that point. Okay, now let me trim it again. Let me trim it. See here, I'll just draw like this. See here, I will move like this, then just move like this. It is just like rubber, understand? Now I will just come again, I will move here. See, the job is done. Okay, I will undo it because I made a mistake. I will undo it and then again I will trim it. See here, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Okay, now can I use this trim command to remove this? Yes, done. Okay, now just press enter. Now what has happened now? You can see here I am panning it to show what actually he has given. I already got it. So how did I do it? By removing these extra construction lines by using trim command and extend command. Okay, it's very simple. It speeds up our work. Where it is located? It is located in the modify panel of the ribbon. Okay, thank you very much.